Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today, I'm going to give you a guide on how you can level up your profile within Rénrénshìpín in order to be able to get unlimited free TV show watching time. Let's check it out. Rénrénshìpín is a great app here within China that allows you to watch your TV shows from back home for free. However, there's a little bit of a stipulation in that you've got to have a profile and be leveled up to about level 4 to be able to watch unlimited shows. How you do that? Well, first you sign in. You can do that with QQ, Weibo, WeChat, or your phone number. Once you're in there, go to the profile on the bottom right-hand corner, and then you'll notice there's a level here. See, I'm at level 4. What you can do is the top set of characters below all the buttons, it's normally got like 0 minutes or whatever. Click on that. And that's going to show you kind of your level and your experience going across. So I'm like at the middle of level 4 right now, and I need to gain more experience to get to level 5. To be able to do that, there's basically 2 ways. One is to watch all these sort of clips that are on the home screen, because the more watch time you have, the higher your level goes. In addition, if you go back to the profile settings screen and go to the 3rd set of characters down, you've got a collection of treasure chests, and below that is a selection of tasks that you can complete. So, for example, the second one below the sun, click on that. That one asks you a question. It's all in Chinese and I have no idea what it means, so I just randomly press an answer, and if I get it right, I get some points, but I can always go back and it will give me the right answer. I just click on that and it will still give me the points. Also, you can go to the Here app, and that's basically register your attendance. So you click on that and that tells you that you've gone into the app today, and you get points for doing that. There's also one where you can watch something for 20 minutes, you'll get points. Watch something for 30 minutes, you'll get points. Share something and you'll get points. And then there's also comment on video, there's give the video a ranking, and there's like the video. So I'll show you how to do that just now. So we'll go into this clip of Doctor Strange. So to like the comments on the video, give a comment on a video, sorry, you click on the button that's just by the scroll bar, and I'll just pick something randomly that adds you on there. And also the heart to like something. To comment, there's the comment little box, say cool. So you've got comment, like, and the third one across is kind of give it a ranking. So I'll just say it's 2. I don't really understand this, but it doesn't matter. And then to share is that arrow button. You can choose to share on a whole bunch of different platforms. So if we go back out of that and back into profile, you can start to see that it's asking me, it's telling me that I've actually, completed a couple of these tasks. Normally, if you complete the majority of these, you'll get to 100 points, and that's more or less maybe like half a level or something. And you can get the treasure chest, you can open it, and also that will give you extra features as well. Okay, so To get to level 4 is pretty easy. Remember, just try and watch as many clips as you can, fill out those little tasks and stuff, and within a couple of days you'll be at level 4 and watching unlimited TV shows. And it's pretty easy, you just kind of fiddle around. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Bye bye.